The kuya of Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto will not use his connection to jump the line and get vaccinated early against COVID-19. Sotto's brother, basketball coach L.A. Mumar, said this in an Instagram story. Mumar said he wants to set a good example to his children. Their mother, actress Coney, had to go through the process of Pasig's vaccination program.
7 years old po ang nanay ko. May comorbidities din po siya. Hindi ko na po sasabihin kung anong comorbidities niya. Lumalabas pa siya pag may trabaho. So, dapat rin talaga mabakunan. Pero, walang palakasan. Dumaan po sa tamang proseso. Nag-fill up siya ng form. Hinihingi niya pa nga sa akin yung link. Sabi ko, tingnan mo na lang sa tingnan mo na lang sa PIO kung saan yung link.
Netizens are thanking Sotto's brother. And before anyone draws this conclusion, Mumar already made it clear in a tweet.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.